What makes me sad is when the whole black community was insulted, when Africa was insulted, this attack came from Taiwan.
Really? This is completely disingenuous. Let me show you why. This is interesting. What Tedros has accused Taiwan of is actually the racism China has showed the entire black community, and specifically Ethiopia. I'm going to expose this hypocrisy with a video I made, and what I'm about to show you is an annual show on TV in China that is the most watched show every year. It is a part of the CCP propaganda department, and it is watched on Chinese TV every Chinese New Year, like we watch the Queen's speech in England. In case you're not wearing your glasses, the large overweight woman is actually wearing a bodysuit and she has painted her face black.
Maybe you have followed my Twitter messages, humility. And compassion. And care. And big heart. Please, unity at national level. China, pointing fingers. Leaders who are preaching about this, many leaders for the last 3 months. I'm just joining them. Unite. Let's unite. Unity is the only option. No time to waste. How many more deserts would I like to see? If you don't believe in unity and don't do unity, please prepare for the worst to come. The worst is yet to come if we don't rush to ensure the unity. Thank you.
由中国承建的非洲蒙内铁路明天就要通车啦！
Or racist comments. What makes me sad is when the whole black community was insulted, when Africa was insulted.
我要去中国留学，我要跟中国人一样撸起袖子加油干，让世界人民都点赞。我的小卡瑞。
Then I don't tolerate.
年轻的时候是中国援非医疗队救了妈妈的命。
Then I say people are crossing the line.
现在中国的孩子们来到非洲，为我们修铁路。
When as community people start to insult us, that's enough.
还把我的小卡瑞培养得这么出色。
That's enough.
我爱中国人，我爱中国。
We cannot tolerate that. China.
我一下飞机就打了一个非洲共享单车，这么洋气啊！
By racial slurs, that's what came from some quarters. And if you want me to be specific, this attack came from China. China.
It's time for Africa.
Hey!
I think if you took President Xi of China, turned him upside down and shook him, the World Health Organization would fall out of his pocket. And that's not acceptable.
Ed, I'm disgusted by that kind of threat from some two-bit, third-rate international bureaucrat. That's why Dr. Tedros needs to be fired. Frankly, he needs to be investigated so we can find out just how deeply in China's pocket he is.
If you would like to support my channel, I am making stickers for Line Tietu, and I left the link below. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's supported me on Patreon. Without your help, I wouldn't have been able to have the time to make this. See you next time, guys. Peace.